Heavy-duty UniPlow one-piece blade, multi-position reinforced 60 blade is fully welded and reinforced to withstand heavy-duty applications, includes a two-sided one-piece steel wear bar and adjustable skid pads. UniPlow push tube, strong, welded push tube design mounts to the ATV frame behind the wheels, not in the front or middle, transferring plow force to the ATV frame for effective, smooth plowing. UniMount, the universal plow mount fits 90+% of current ATV models and offers a quick release mechanism that allows UniPlow attachment and removal in literally seconds. See product images for up-to-date UniMount fit chart. All UniPlow one-box ATV plow system components are finished in durable black powder coat. UniPlow carries a 1-year warranty to use your UniPlow with multiple ATVs. Additional mounting kits are available. See UniMount kit, Extreme Max 5500.5019, Polaris 570,